If CarPlay is not working on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just make sure that your car supports CarPlay or wireless CarPlay. After you've done that, then go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on CarPlay, then swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. Under the Connection section of the Control Center, just make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. And after that, under the Available Cars section, just check if the signal of your car is appearing or not. If the signal of your car is not appearing in this section, then for the next step, you will need the password of the parental controls of your iPhone. After you get the password of the parental controls, then go back to the main settings page and tap on Screen Time. Under the Screen Time settings, just tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now from here, just tap on Allowed Apps and Features and make sure that CarPlay is turned on. If it is turned off, just turn it on. Then go back and under the main settings page, just tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on VPN and Device Management. Now, if there is any VPN network which is connected to your iPhone, just disconnect it from here. After you do that, then go back and under the General settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset Network Settings. Now, by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the network settings of your iPhone. Now after that, just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this also did not work, then just perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this also did not work, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update and from here just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you can connect your car with CarPlay using the wired method. Just bring the cable and plug one end of the cable to your charging port and connect the other end of the cable to your car. But before you do that, just make sure that the cable you're using supports data transfer or CarPlay. And after that, you will fix the CarPlay not working issue on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.